I think what I've heard from you is that you're focused on a very limited area of public congregating space. Is that fair to say?
That's what's before us today.
So it's not the entirety of downtown that you want to ban smoking. It's just within point A to point B in which people can congregate there without the threat of smoking.
Exactly.
Regardless of whether it is an illegal product or a legal product. Fair to say?
Both.
Mayor, may I ask a question, Mr. Attorney Feldman? Mr. Feldman, we know, or that we've heard, that there is an ordinance coming forward to address the issue of Kush. Could you explain just a little bit about that? Because there seems to be some sort of consternation about what the cart before the horse here.
The ordinance that will be coming forward next week addresses the Kush problem in a broad way, and is primarily from the standpoint of sale and distribution. It's inherently difficult to prosecute someone for using Kush for possessing Kush, because in that context, and we experience this under state law where you can't even get the DA to take a charge. In that context, you have to show that what that person is smoking comes under the very specific chemical composition of those substances defined in the law or the ordinance. So,
in other words, in this instance, it's not illegal. Is that fair to say?
That's right.
So how would this smoking ban within these limited public spaces assist with the attack on Kush?
Because we're permitting the ordinance is being changed to go beyond tobacco to any plant product or other combustible substance. So it'll cover Kush as well as anything else somebody might try to smoke.
And because it's limited, it is limited in focus. So we're not banning the tobacco products for the entirety of the city on any sidewalks elsewhere. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you. My honorable councilwoman, I appreciate your difference of opinion on the issue. I guess my worldview in allowing for smoking in parks of legal products goes to the issue, I guess, of if we lived in a city that didn't have EPA problems, if we lived in a city that didn't allow for barbecue, charcoal be cooked in parks, we might have an issue about general smoking in an open-air park. But I think in this instance, what we're talking about is a limited space in which a number of people wish to congregate. It's almost like an indoor building. So my opinion in that is that sometimes when we try to do a broad ban in those instances, the public winds up seeing it as swatting mosquitoes on the tail end of an elephant, and I'm concerned about that.
Colleagues, we don't have enough to extend.